Digital reserve currency was designed to become a decentralized digital store of value with a limited supply and a zero inflation rate. The concept of the digital reserve currency was developed by Maxim Neurov, founder of the Digital Finance Washington DC financial company that specializes exclusively in the digital asset space.
Feel uninvited.
100% of the DRC token supply has been listed on the Uniswap decentralized exchange with an intentionally small market cap to allow the early adopters to establish inexpensive exposure to DRC if they believe it will have a larger market in the future. The token is fully developed and operational, and its holders are immediately able to use it for its intended functionally on the Ethereum blockchain. No one has control over the DRC nor the providers, essential you can say any type of manager efforts that affect its success, as DRC has fully decentralized structure. Here you can see the entire supply of the DRC token. Right now this token is available on the Uniswap exchange, and the best part about this token, it's 100% decentralized cryptocurrency. Now here you can see the best part, the white paper and also the about section on the main website, where you can read all the things about the DRC token, that how it will work and how it will affect us in our daily life. No DRC token have ever been pre-mined or retained by the project developers. DRC has a predetermined finite supply, and no more additional DRC tokens will ever be minted. The scarcity of DRC was embedded into the code, and nothing can change it once DRC contract was deployed into Ethereum blockchain ERC20. The token supply will not be artificially reduced by either buybacks or token burnings. Despite the intentionally small initial market capitalization, the team cannot predict whether DRC token will retain its monetary value in the future. DRC token may lose its value if it does not receive the adoption as a digital store of value. At the same time, DRC token value may arise because of the network effect, as more people believe in its value and utility. Now the best part of this token is that it's 100% decentralized, and right now it is available on a huge decentralized exchange, Uniswap exchange. So it's your time to grab the opportunity, because this token will grow organically day by day. So if you are going to hold this token right now, definitely it will give you some good profits in near future. And it's 100% organic project. It's not a you can say the rug pull project or anything like this, that overnight they are going to give you success. It is not like this. It is an organic project. You must have to read all the things in the white paper before investing in it. Thanks a lot.